Which classic car should I buy? As it seems a really wide topic, but today only 10 minutes. Patrick's Garage. Grab your snack, welcome back. If we approach to this question with clear mind, probably we want to find sources of spare parts where we planning to order spare parts or we want to find mechanics. They will be familiar with this car or probably their retirement and they not working anymore on these car care centers. So we want to find mechanics, we want to find spare parts. Spare parts should be easy available. And this car should be relatively popular because you want to find spare parts easily. You want to find this station for repair your car also without any additional problems. And yes, main thing you want to chatting with the same car owners like you want to find advices from them, they want to sharing with you experience from owning these cars, so you want to find relatively popular car. But how you can find this car? Probably you was familiar with this model in your childhood because all these things with passion goes from childhood. Yes, this is was proven by years. What we want in child, we want later. And yes, probably we will satisfied with our decisions later, with our desires. We will be satisfied. And yes, which model you want to find? You want to find this model which will be with a lot of spare parts. Spare parts can be interchangeable. This is not especially for this particular model, these parts should be intended. But you want to find this car which will be easy in maintenance, not too complex. Yes, even in 60s, cars was really complex. You don't want to messing with this complex electronic and things which are really fancy and you don't want to spend your time for learning these things for finding mechanics and you can't find these guys which was familiar with these cars in 60s, they with gray hairs, they retirement, they not working now, they don't messing with your car. Yes, probably you want to find old guy which was able to repair your car and you want to negotiate privately with this guy and probably will be more better results rather than you go to car care centers with young guys they not familiar with these cars. Yes, what about me? What classic car should I buy? If you watched my previous videos, you know that I have two Volvos, one car from 60s and one car from 70s. Yes, car was which was from 60s, more better in quality. And which car you should buy? Probably a car which available in spare parts without problems in maintenance. Ford, probably Ford. A lot of interchangeable parts available now. Even online, you can find these parts online. That not means you want to go to find these parts on every corner what you want. But Ford Mustang, a really classic car in all the world you can find these cars and these cars really good in quality, I mean from 60s they simple, not that what they doing later. Ford Mustangs with whole bunch of electronics. You open the hood and you don't want to see all these electronics. You prefer classic from 60s. This models was more simpler and you able average guy, let's face the facts. Average guy able to repair old machine, but you want to find special tools, special equipment to repair modern cars, and you want a lot of experience and you have knowledge. Only one reason to messing with modern cars. This reason was to earn money. You want to earn money. This only reason to repair by own hands modern cars and spend time to learn all these electronics because they produced for earning money. They so complex just for earning money. To rip you off, yes, you want to buy modern car, you want to go to dealer center, you want to go to car care centers, you want to pay a lot of money for modern car. You are not able to repair by our hands without these special fancy tools which they using. Yes, they using special tools, mechanics. They paying for them, they earning money that way. Yes, they earning a lot of money by this electronic equipment because all wears out with the age and you go and paying money. But classic car, you able to repair by own hands or you at least you can understand what wrong and you can go to mechanics you trust and you want to see what he going to do and you can control because you understand what inside the car and how it works. This is more better. And yes, you want to using this car every day. So which car you should buy? Which classic car? Classic car. Which you want to buy? Which classic car I want to buy? Probably, if thinking from start, in childhood, I was impressed by these Ford Mustangs. Yes, two doors only. Four doors will be better, but they was only with two doors and convertible roof. I really was impressed for me. And seats, all this design looks great, I think. Ford Mustangs from 60s, not this. Yes, they looks great. Latest models from Ford Mustangs, yes, they're really powerful cars. But from 60s, these cars was more better because they are really simple. You want to repair by own hands and you love these cars because you are able to repair, to treat them all any their diseases, even rust, worn engine, pistons, rings. You want to replace all these things by own hands, and there is no complex electronic. So today we got a little bit information about this topic. I hope this will be helpful for you. But let's counting what we learned today. First of all, car should be in good condition. Which car should I buy? I want to buy car in good condition, body. In a lot of cases, frame and body will welded together. So you want to pay close attention to body condition. It shouldn't be too much rust. At least a superficial rust, nothing wrong, but you want to check it with hammer. You want to check frame with hammer. If it crunchy, go away and you don't want to be impressed. This shining car if frame rusty. You don't want to buy rusty car. And thing is which model you want to buy. You want to buy a relatively popular model and you don't want to suffer from this process of searching spare parts, from searching mechanics, which will be familiar with your model. So, relatively popular car will be a good decision. And you want to find spare parts easily and quality spare parts, OEM parts from a reputable place. You want to order these parts, nothing wrong if you will waiting these spare parts. Thing is, they should be in proper condition. They should be intended especially for your car. You want to check these parts. And yes, I want to answer for this question for me. What classic car should I buy? Probably Ford Mustang from 60s. Yes, if I anyhow decided to start from scratch my restoration journey, probably it will be Ford Mustang because I was impressed by this model when I was kid.